Our first step in creating our gel will be to premix our guar gum with our propanediol. This will allow the guar gum to mix with the water much more easily. And within this formulation, the guar gum is our only thickener, so we have a decent amount in there, and eventually this will become a thick gel. Now that the guar gum has been completely wetted by the propanediol, it will be added to the water. Now we will add a small amount of unencapsulated benzalkonium chloride, and within this formulation, we are using it as a preservative. Our next ingredient is the first of our technologies, HydroSal Natural Antiseptic, which is a complex of plant extracts at optimized levels, encapsulated for a modulated release. Our final ingredient is the second of our technologies, Moisture Guard, which is a unique technology that provides all the positive sensory benefits of water, such as cooling and refreshing feel, but it will not give the unpleasant wet feel normally associated with water. And within this formulation, it will help leave the skin well moisturized, which is good within a gel because generally those will dry your hands out. Can mix until uniform, or HydroSal Natural Antiseptic Gel is complete. As you can see, the gel is not clear like most antiseptic gels are, but it does have the thickness and consistency of a gel. And normally these types of gels would be in like a squeeze bottle or a pump, but here we have it in a small jar just to show what it would look like. Just a small amount is needed and applied to the hands, and then that small amount can be spread around both hands, and the HydroSal Natural Antiseptic will help to protect your hands and skin from any microbes or bacteria, and since it is encapsulated, it will modulate the release, and the Moisture Guard gel will help to moisturize and protect the skin.